Georgia, sweet Georgia, I song for you comes as sweet and clear as moonlight through the pine. Other arms reach out to me. Other eyes smile tenderly. Still in these things I see the
Liquid here is going to represent the white flower. The white flower stands for hope. The hope that eventually, soon, there will be a cure for Alzheimer's. So that is the white flower, which is relatively new to this edition. So we certainly have a lot of hope. It's people like you who come out here, who support Alzheimer's, who donate your money and your time and your efforts that will get this white flower to become a real thing and we can actually end this Alzheimer's. So thank you everyone, Keisha, Peggy, Joe, Michelle, and Lakeland for coming up on stage. Thank you very much.
Patron, Brother Mike Walton was here, our Grand Associate Patron, Brother Bernard Nelson, and our Grand Associate Conductor, Sister Ella Rose. So we thank them for traveling to be here with this group today.
Let me throw one shameless plug here. I do bring greetings on behalf of the Most Worshipful Prince Hall Grand Lodge of Georgia. Well, the Honorable Primus T. James, 33rd degree actors, happy to serve as our 19th Most Worshipful Grand Master. Thank you again.
Sound like he practiced that.
All right. Thank you, Brother Pratt. And thank you, your Brother Pratt, for filming this. We have had
an old sweet song keeps Georgia on my mind.
K. Pratt Images is a filmmaker. Let us help grow your business with energized video imagery.